Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing good. Happy July everyone. We have a thunderstorm now popping up. The storm season of 2021 is over, but there is a tropical storm somewhere around, giving us a chance of thunder and rain. A moment ago we saw a cloud to ground lightning right over there, so it is hot. It feels like 102 degrees. So anyway, you guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and so you can get the latest video that I'm doing. So this is gonna be called July Thunderstorm. We just saw a cloud to ground lightning over there. No, I didn't get that. So the joy of the thunder. Now it's coming in, guys. It's starting to cool down a bit. Let's see if we can get a good lightning. Let's zoom in, I'm sorry. Let's lower the camera light level, I'm sorry. And let's see if we can get some good shots of lightning now. It has been very hot. More than likely we will see a very close cloud to ground lightning. I hope to God we don't see a close lightning strike, but it happens. So let's nothing severe. Next week we will have a chance for thunderstorm. And the wind is picking up and it's starting to cool down a bit. Alright, you guys. Some dark clouds over there. nothing severe, just a little storm. Oh, that feels so good. Summer storm. It's very unusual. Very rare we get thunderstorm in Texas, not like in Florida and elsewhere, but we sure needed the rain and temperatures down a bit. My body can't do 105 degrees. Some dark clouds above us. Alright, you guys. Let's see if we can get a good video of this thunderstorm. I'm gonna watch the radar in a second. I just want to get it's very hard to see because of the trees in front of me. Picking up just a little bit. Oh yes, I got it. Right over there. Three double strides, I love it. Gonna watch the radar in a second, guys. Oh yes. Oh yes. I hope I got that on camera. Most likely you did. But sometimes my camera, we will watch the videos and see. should be coming in any minute now. I mean, I love thunderstorms. I really love